What's up everyone? We're finally back to post another video and it's already ice fishing season. We're gonna be going after some tanker brookies. There are rainbows in this lake too. It's a very clear water lake and we're gonna be sight fishing them super shallow within 3 to 7 feet in hopes to get some amazing footage. Anyhow, we're gonna start setting up the tent, chipping the hole, and hopefully we get some beautiful brookies on the ice today. Well, we're all set up and this is what we're looking at inside the tent. Incredibly clear, super shallow, and had lots of success here. Success here last year, and we're gonna replicate that. It's gonna be awesome footage. Anyhow, we got everything set up. We got a GoPro in the water, facing down at the action. Got all the gear in here. Got a chair to sit on. Got a tripod. It's kind of over on the side. That's where my phone's gonna be. Just filming the jig and hopefully get some tankers coming in. Let's get to it. Decided to bring the phone a little bit higher off so you can get a little proportion of the actual jigging I'm doing. So I'll be just like this. I'm gonna be rocking a little tungsten jig. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it's just a little jig, and I'm gonna tip it with some shrimp, and that's it. Hopefully we can get some coming in soon. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A big frickin' rainbow just grabs my jig and then swam off, and this little brookie has it right now. Let go of it, you little bastard. Damn it! Well, I guess I got a little brookie. Anyway, gonna get this guy. Get this little guy unhooked. I know Marcus is over there. He's got a big brookie, just said tank brookie. You have it? Okay, gonna get this quick release on this little brookie. I know Marcus is. Get some action there. Oh yeah. There's a nice brookie. Damn, some good action, eh?
Yeah, buddy.
Anyways, we'll hold it up.
Gorgeous brookie. Look at the colors on that fish.
That is gorgeous. Let's get it
First
right back.
fish of the day.
Awesome. Pumping us strong. Oh yeah. Super strong.
Sick. On the camera, dude.
Great job, dude.
Got one.
Oh yeah, there's one. Got one. Not a tank, but good brookie without any doubt. It's probably close to a pound, maybe a tad over a pound. Oh, there it is. Darn it. Still right there. Well, this is what we're looking at outside now. The rain decided to come, and it's definitely coming down right now.
Yeah, there we go.
Got one! Oh, that one's running. Not a tank, but really putting up a fight. Kind of just like the last one, around a pound and a half, I would say. Oh, and just like the last one, dropped it too, so. Whatever. Guess it worked for it. That thing was going crazy. Hook's still in place. Yeah. Well, at least we're still getting action. Well, as you can see, I'm moving spots. Had a little dry patch there where I hadn't seen anything for like a good 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna head a little bit further down so I know there's another good shallow reef kinda, and yeah, just explore a bit, see if we can find some more brookies and some big ones too. Well, we're at a new spot. Got the hole picked out. It's not quite as clear as the last spot, but I like the depth. And I like the bottom structure, as there's not a lot down there, so my jig will stand out from more of a distance here. I just dropped down and I put it in my little self setter I made and had a little brookie come and grab it. I didn't get that on film, but Yeah, we're gonna start jigging now. I'm gonna put my phone on the tripod. Oh yeah. Got him. Darn it. Lost it. That's happens when you have one hand on your rod and one hand on the phone. Jeez. Got one. Little one. Oh, there's another one here. Oh, get him to chase. Got one. No. They're all puny. Oh yeah. They fight hard, eh? Damn, dude. Honestly, I'm pretty frustrated. I've seen like 3 fish in the last like a minute. That's not bad. They've all been small. Oh, you little. Got one. It's little. Oh no! Messed up on a decent one, man. Got one. Well, as I'm sure you can tell, we're off the lake now, back in Smithers. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I didn't catch any big brookies like I said it was in the intro, so it's kind of disappointing, but I'm sure we'll be doing more videos like those and hopefully getting a real tank. Like last year, I know we got into some, or at least my brother caught a 5.5 pounder, and I pulled in one that was like around 5 pounds, and that was just one day being out. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, and if you guys liked it, I'll see you in the next one.